Hi, I'm Janice Nath, Ambiance Architect with Ambius, and today I'd love to share with you a few tips on how to divide a sago palm. Mature sago palms have pups that grow at the base of the sago palm. This palm unfortunately is in a container and therefore there aren't any pups growing in this particular container. However, in the ground, when you do see mature sago palms, you will find a few pups growing around them. The best way is to pop them out of the ground. Gently pop them out of the ground, remove all the fronds that are growing on the pup, and lay them out to dry for 7 to 10 days. You want to then take your pup and plant it into a well-saturated sandy soil mix. It is best to plant it 2/3 the way down where a little bit of the pup is still above the soil level. You let that saturate, let the roots grow. Once the roots are nice and strong, this may take a couple of months, you are then able to transfer that pup into the ground. You don't want to do that before the root system has developed, because that will actually kill the sago palm. Once it's in the ground, you then water it thoroughly, let it saturate, and then you repeat the process every 2 to 3 days. Once the roots have taken to the ground, you can then get onto a regular watering schedule. A lot of times with sago palms, you will notice that there's yellowing at the base with the lower fronds. That is just nutrient deficiency. That does not mean you need to cut them off. By cutting those yellow fronds, you're actually harming the sago palm. You do want to wait till the sago palm fronds turn brown. At that time, you can cut them off. A lot of people do prune the sago palm for aesthetic reasons. Great thing to do. However, you want to be very careful when you're cutting healthy fronds off the sago palm. Just a rule of thumb, you want to keep them pruned between, if you are pruning for aesthetic reasons, keep them pruned between a 10 o'clock and a 2 o'clock position. Hope that helps with your sago plant dividing. Again, Janice Nath, Ambiance Architect with Ambius.